Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create group chat posts on Instagram. So guys, let's get into it. Here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone. And the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram group chat. So we can go to the Instagram direct message. Then we can select or open the group chat that I want to create a poll. And this is my group chat. And I'm going to create a poll under this group chat. Okay, and to create a poll, we can tap on this sticker button. Then we can tap on the poll option, but before it, we can click on the sticker button again. Then click on poll. Okay, and you can add the poll question right here. And I'm going to add your favorite music. And we can add the option. I'm going to add pop, rock, and jazz. Then after we're done, we can click on create poll. Okay, and now the poll has been created, and that's how we can create a poll on Instagram group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.